Hello and welcome to my channel today, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're going to be talking about blizzard warnings, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And for more videos like this, watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff, my youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games, or my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. Now let's dive into the video. Blizzard warnings are in effect for Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota. As a winter storm brings heavy snow, high winds, and dangerous travel. The National Weather Service has warned of significantly reduced visibility, road closures, and snowfall of up to 12 inches, with gusts reaching 70 miles per hour. Why it matters: blizzard conditions can cause significant disruptions to travel, with the Weather Channel reporting that blizzard conditions have already forced closures along major highways, including Interstate 70 in Kansas and Interstate 80 in Nebraska. In addition to disruption to travel, storm conditions can cause power outages and other disruptions. Counties with blizzard warnings in place. NWS blizzard warnings affect parts of Colorado, Minnesota, Iowa, Kansas, and Nebraska. What to know? In Colorado, blizzard conditions were expected in the northeastern part of the state, including the counties of Yama and Washington. Winds gusting up to 65 miles per hour were expected to reduce visibility. The NWS said travel on Interstate 70 could become dangerous or impossible due to falling or blowing and drifting snow and poor visibility. Kansas was also forecast for widespread impacts, including in Cloud, Ottawa, Republic, and Washington counties, where gusts of up to 65 miles per hour and blowing snow could reduce visibility to less than a quarter mile. Snow accumulations range from 2 to 4 inches, with isolated areas receiving more. Iowa faced some of the heaviest snow, with up to 12 inches possible across central, northwest, and west central portions of the state, the WNS said. Power outages are possible, the agency warned. Southern Minnesota, including Faribault, Freeborn, and Steele counties, is expecting 3 to 7 inches of snow. Whiteout conditions are expected and will make travel treacherous and potentially life-threatening, the Weather Service said, adding that hazardous conditions could impact Wednesday's commutes. Current conditions from inside the blizzard near Lexington. Do not attempt to travel in blizzard conditions. Check 511 for closure updates. What people are saying. AccuWeather meteorologist Tom Kynes told Newsweek after bringing snow and blizzard conditions to the plains and upper Midwest, this storm will move northeast into Canada Wednesday night and become much less of a problem for the United States and ending the threat of blizzard conditions. The National Weather Service said on X, formerly Twitter, on Tuesday, a strong spring storm system will bring blizzard conditions from the central high plains to the upper Midwest Wednesday, while severe thunderstorms are possible in the Midwest. Gusty winds and dry conditions will continue. Critical fire weather Wednesday into Friday, from southwestern Texas into the southern high plains. What happens next? Blizzard warnings remain in effect through Wednesday night, with improving conditions expected as the storm moves northeast. Authorities will continue to monitor road and weather conditions and provide updates. Residents should stay updated on local advisories and avoid unnecessary travel, forecasters say. Thank you for watching this video, and peace out till the next one.